Hi, my name is Melany Wins, and my company is Fine Wine Brands, and we specialize in promoting fine wines within the Vancouver area. This is my tasting team, Michelle and Melissa, and we have a special guest joining us today, Paul Jordan from Mondale Fine Beverages, and he's going to walk us through a tasting of one of the wines in his portfolio, which is Bordertown.
Okay, so the red that we've chosen to highlight from Bordertown Winery is the Cabernet Franc. And I chose this for a specific reason because Cabernet Franc is getting a reputation in the valley as a grape that the Okanagan producers can do very, very well. And one of the beautiful things that Bordertown has done is they planted a lot of Cabernet Franc, much more than most other wineries. They had the foresight to plant a lot of it. So they've come up with a really great wine that's available at a very good price in relation to other Cabernet Franc wines from the valley. Because of economies of scale, they're producing a lot of it. So I will give you guys each a pour.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so Cabernet Franc is a component grape of classic red Bordeaux. It's a cousin grape to Cabernet Sauvignon, and what it does is it gives structure and some backbone, and it contributes a bit of pepperiness and some intensity to a Bordeaux blend. So those are the kind of qualities you're going to notice about it on its own. So give it a flick around the glass. You notice it's a very deep red color. When you take in the aroma, it's very fresh. You get some dark red berries, some raspberry, some blackberry, those sorts of things. But you also get little hints of other things too, like the green pepper, like a little bit of, hints of mint, if you can pick that up. So these are all classic elements of a good Cabernet Franc. So let's give it a taste and see what you guys think.
Thank you.
Very good balance. Did you see did you taste the kind of things that I mentioned in the aroma? Because it comes through on the palate as well.
Absolutely.
What do you think?
This is delicious. I think it would be amazing with lamb.
Definitely taste the blackberry.
Yep. What do you think?
You go with pasta.
It's a good versatile food pairing wine. It goes well with big, beef dishes and steak and those sorts of things. Also goes well with pasta, with red sauces, and charcuterie, cheeses, that sort of thing. Anything that has sort of a bit of its own herbaceousness to it as well, that brings out that kind of quality in the wine. So this is a wine that I've kind of tipped for Bordertown to be one of their flagship wines. This is going to be a wine that the winery is going to be known for. So I'm glad you guys like it because that's the plan for this wine.
I'll be recommending this. Next time someone asks me for